Okay, that's it. All of it. Now, activator?
Yes.
Yeah, it's activator. No? Okay. Is it activator? Shh! Yeah, mommy. I don't want to use that spoon.
Tide or game?
You can use Tide or Game.
Game.
Okay, let me I put a little bit activator at a time. Okay. Now it's starting mixing. See, it's turning. You just need to keep mixing it. If you don't keep mixing, it's not gonna turn. That's why if there's goops, that means it's not working. I need that much.
If you want to make a sopa, just put some water.
That's my mom, guys.
I'm sorry about that.
I think you're missing something, no, Mama?
Yeah, this is not turning. It's not turning.
I think we need something else.
No, it's because
light.
you didn't needed to do this one. You needed to get the blue one.
Okay, we put a little bit more. You want to put a little bit more?
No.
Keep trying. Okay, you're doing it with a fork instead of doing it with a spoon.
What about it? Guys, this is not turning. So guys, it's turning now, and look what's going on. It's really good now. That's strong.
Close up.
Guys, what if it really goes to you guys and now flash it, bang! Ah.
What would happen if it doesn't come out the way you expect? Is it okay? Give it another try.
No, I will get white glue.
No. Would you be upset or would you give up or what would you do?
This is not school.
But she's supposed to like say, don't worry guys if it doesn't come out.
Duh. You need a wowie. Don't worries. My mom keeps ruining this channel, guys. I don't know why I got my hands if it's still glue. Guys, this is okay if it doesn't turn. But I can try it next time with other good clear glue or white glue. But I don't know what's going on with this glue. My dad is getting a thumbs up, even that's a little bit wrong. I'm gonna mix it with my hand. Ew, this is nasty, guys. I wish you guys can feel this.
Is it done?
No. Does it seem like it's done? Is it? After this, I'm gonna eat sopa. If you guys know Spanish with sopa, yeah, that's what she's making. So, mommy, that's what she's making.
Papi, we don't show Papi.
My mom wears makeup. It's turning.
It's done.
Crunchy.
It's done?
Almost, Papi.
Stay tuned for the next time.
No.
It looks like ice, guys.
It's working, but it's a little bit crunchy. Sorry we keep pausing because my mom. Guys, this is awesome. Thank you for other videos. I hope you subscribe to this channel. Bye, guys.
Subscribe.